Hi guys, today is day 15 and I'm not even going to lie, it's been a whole lot. It's been quite a struggle, it's been overwhelming, but hey, I'm still here. We're going to day 30. So today I thought to spice everything up a little bit. Today I'll be sharing footages of my drone crashes. Interesting, right? So here's the deal. For every time I've crashed my drone, I'm going to share a footage with you guys today, so you guys will see what it looks like and how it actually feels like. I want you guys to feel what I feel whenever I've had a drone crash. So stay tuned guys, don't go anywhere. I'll be sharing my drone crashes in these videos. So this is my very first crash. Okay, no, this is the very first crash I have a video of. So at about that point, I just gotten the Mavic Pro drone and I was just testing it out around the house. Basically, I didn't have visual line of sight. Remember that, right? I mentioned it in the drone safety tips about flying with the visual line of sight. So at that point, I didn't have visual line of sight. I was just flying blind. So I took the drone around the house, just hoping to get like a view of the building. And next thing I had was boom, everything just went off and my drone was on the floor. And at that point, the drone had spent barely 2 weeks with me and I had a crash already. All in all, I had to fix the gimbal, and for the next crash, this was my Phantom 3 SE. We were shooting on a rainy day, and while shooting it stopped raining, so we just continued shooting. So I went up, I captured drone shots per usual. I got all the shots I needed and I was just coming back to land. Everything was okay, everything was fine. And coming back to land, that was where the problem happened. So apparently the water was still on the floor and the Phantom 3 didn't have like very good grip on the floor. So immediately it touched the ground, it didn't just skid off and it went tumbling and crashing. All in all, the drone didn't stop till like 10 minutes or 5 minutes after the crash, and I really struggled to get a hold of it because the blades were very violent and all of that. But at the end of the day, nothing happened to the drone. I didn't have to fix anything and that was just it. The final one, this was drone crash number 3. Okay, at least number 3 that I have a video of. So I just got in the Mavic Mini 3 Pro. So I met up with a friend at Kilolu. I was trying to create content somewhere around the National Theatre. So while doing that, we had barely even started. I was just getting familiarized with the environment, and while doing that, something crazy happened. So while taking up my drone, the color of my drone blended in with a backdrop behind. So basically I couldn't really see where my drone was. So I thought, okay, just fly high, then get sight of your drone, then we can continue from there. And trying to get high, my drone got caught in a tree, and that was all. Next thing was everything came tumbling down and the gimbal broke. Bear in mind, at that point this was a new drone. The parts were not readily available, at least not in Nigeria yet. So basically I spent about 4 or 5 months sourcing the parts of that drone, and for that period it was crazy. But thankfully it was my Phantom 3 SE that saved me throughout that period, and at the end of the day I got it fixed and voila, I'm using my drone back again. So that's it guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, no, I hope you didn't enjoy it, because at every point that my drone has crashed it was not fun for me and I didn't enjoy it. So I hope you guys enjoy it. But anyways, I hope it was fun for you guys to watch. Every time I've crashed my drone, in the drone industry, crashing your drone is one of the most normal things to do. You just try as much as possible to reduce the number of times you do it. It's also very expensive, so hope you guys did not enjoy it. Take care of yourself. See you in day 16. Bye, and don't forget, stay jiggy.